Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can show ruler in Microsoft Excel. Okay, first of all guys, if you want to show the ruler, you need to go to the view menu and you're going to select this page layout and make sure that you check the ruler checkbox. Okay, and the ruler will be shown here. As you can see, this is the ruler, and if you want to get back the normal view, you just need to click on normal. So anytime you want to see the ruler, just like the view and page layout, and you will get the ruler here on your Microsoft Excel document display. And I'm just going to go back to the normal view. Okay guys, and that's all the way to show ruler in Microsoft Excel. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!